Okay, we're going to send this to Nana. These are from Nana. What does your card say?
I love you, Ty.
Aww. It's from Nana. You got presents. Batteries, cool.
What is that?
You must have something that needs batteries in there.
Don't look! Don't look! Don't look!
Pop-Tarts. Oh, look at those Pop-Tarts. They have like Fairytopia stuff on them. Pretty. Those look yummy. Are you going to share those with your sister?
Yeah.
Are they all for you?
It's for cameras. Don't look!
I'm videotaping for Nana.
My favorite thing!
Cool.
I'm gonna play this.
Sharpay.
I'm gonna play this right now, okay?
Cool. Well, you got something else in there too. You excited? What do you say?
Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Nana.
Blow kisses.
Mwah, mwah.
Look at your shirt. Show Nana your shirt. What shirt did you get?
I get a Miss Nana.
From who? Who'd you get your shirt from?
Japanese.
What is it? It's a dance mat.
I want to dance with it.
You can hook it up to the TV and dance with it.
Please, Mom.
Okay, absolutely we can do it.
Can you open my Barbie?
Yeah. What do you say?
Thank you, Nana. I love you.
Karis, what you doing? Say hi.
Can I open all my presents?
Karis, say hi, Nana. Karis, Care Bear, say hi, Nana.
Mommy, can you